Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for this vlog, we will be talking about why I switched from coffee to tea and the 3 ways that can make tea and the differences of those 3. Parang ako nag-rap. Featuring all my love for the 8 flavors of loose leaf teas from Healthy Sage. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so before anything, what's healthier, coffee or tea? And Google will say it's a tie, it's a matter of preference, and you will see that they both have caffeine and antioxidants. They're both healthy in their own way, but mas mataas ang caffeine level ng coffee per glass compared sa tea, almost half. And then also the effect of its caffeine. When it comes to coffee, people describe it as parang punch. It's super strong, but it also leaves you crashing down, parang sugar rush. And then when it comes to tea, they say it's a mild energy boost, but it will last for almost half the day. First conclusion, I will be drinking tea every morning as I wake up because pagdating sa umaga, kailangan ko lang ng onting pampagising, but I need energy na maglalast almost all day. And then, I will still be drinking coffee. Doon na lang sa times na kailangan ko magpuyat, meron akong deadline na hinahabol, or hangover. Yun na yung mga times na inumin ko siya. And there is what they call caffeine tolerance, parang alcohol tolerance, parang kung dati wait, so kung dati gising na gising ka na sa coffee ko 75 na isang bote, pero kung sanay na yung katawan mo uminom nun, siguro pag next time na magpupuyat ka, kailangan mo na 4 or 5 para magkaroon ng same effect. Next reason is calories. I know pag sinearch mo coffee and tea, para sila ng calorie count, it's 2 calories per drink. Realistically speaking, when we drink coffee, look at the chart below. If your answer is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or up, what do we really add? Cream, milk, which adds a lot of calories for your drink. And then, even if you choose one, majority of people who choose one, imagine it as a black coffee with a lot of sugar. So, unless ang go-to coffee mo is black coffee alone, chances are hindi 2 calories yung drink mo. Which is why I switched to tea. Because compared to drinking coffee alone, it is easier to drink tea alone. Why? Because herbal, fruity, or floral teas are naturally sweet alone, especially if you cold brew. I'll tell you all about it later. Next reason is price. Yes, yung ginagastos mo every time you drink. So, naisip ko before, tea, mahal yun. Compared sa nagagastos ko na nagtitimpal ako ng coffee sa house every morning or yung mga sachet na nabibili for coffee. But when I researched into it, as it turns out, it's actually super cheap also. So, for example, is this Loose Jasmine Cleanse Tea. I think the price of this one is between 250 or 300 pesos. It's always 3 grams per tea bag. So, that's 10 tea bags. I know what you're thinking, 10 drinks, but no. Even in the instructions over here, 1 tea bag can make 3 drinks. So, all in all, I am able to make 30 drinks from 1 purchase. So, it's just about 10 pesos per drink or even less. And of course, it depends on what flavor you're getting. But in Healthy Sage, I think the most expensive one is around 460 pesos. Next reason is accessibility. Alam ko iniisip mo, George, hindi naman yung tulad ng coffee na mabibili ko sa tindahan or mabibili ko sa grocery. And you're correct. But let's be honest, in our generation, sobrang daling umorder online. Actually, kaya nga naubos yung pera ko kasi mas madali pa nga umorder online kaysa bumili sa mga grocery and stuff. And I have good news for you guys. Healthy Sage PH offers free shipping if you reach the amount of 990 pesos. Enough about why I switch. Let's go to how I make my tea. First way I do it is the normal way, which is the hot brew. It's the same way na nasa instructions nung tea. It's like the regular tea bag na ilalagay mo sa tea bag, and then lalagay mo sa mug, and then lalagyan mo ng almost boiling water, wait for a couple minutes, and it's ready. That's what I drink when it's raining. Gusto ko mag-emote, or gusto ko yung, alam mo, maginhawaan, yung pag inuubo, or may phlegm ka, or what. That's how I make my tea. Another way of how I make my tea is by doing a cold brew. It's super easy. So you put your tea in a tea bag, and then you dip it in your tumbler or in your glass of water, put it in the refrigerator, leave it there overnight. I would suggest 6 to 12 hours is the best, or that's what I usually do. And I promise you, kahit sobrang tagal nung process, just leave it there overnight. In the morning, you'll have this amazing drink na super sweet alone. You won't need honey anymore. Kalapit na siya ng lasa ng C2, to be honest. There are flavors na kalasa na ng C2, or parang lemonade na yung taste niya for me. Compared to hot brew, it has less caffeine but more antioxidants if you brew it for more than 12 hours. This is my drink when I work out. Yes, nag-workout ako, huwag kang ano. So, in the afternoon kasi, I would prefer something na with less caffeine kasi ilang hours na lang, I'll be going to sleep. So, I don't want to have trouble sleeping. So, I prefer to cold brew my tea. The third step is very easy. It's just hot brew over ice. So, I brew my tea the normal way, the hot brew way, and then pour it over ice. Because let's be honest, nasa Pinas tayo, and not all the time, meron tayong 8 hours to wait before we get our drink. It's a really easy alternative. At first, inisip ko baka may side effect or baka mag-iba yung taste or quality. But no, it's totally fine. Temperature lang yung mag-change. So, feel free to do this if you want a quick and cold drink. Rule of thumb, if it's hot brew, it's more caffeinated than the cold brew, and it's more bitter than the cold brew. In cold brew, for my experience, my best drink was the one that was infusing with the water for like 12 hours. And guys, as I mentioned, I will be featuring all the 8 flavors of Healthy Sage, and montage starts now. They sell this in bundles, so you'll get 4 teas and a jar of honey, and then you can choose the bundle you want depending on the goal that you want. So that's it for my video. Saktong-sakto kasi nag-uumpisa na umulan. And I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and click the subscribe button while you're at it, because I will be uploading a lot of videos for you guys. Kahit alam ko, yung huli kong video is a month ago. But nasira yung camera ko, okay? So, But from now on, go ahead and expect more videos. Anyway, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!